Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to apply for a job at KFC. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to kfc.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now when you're here, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to KFC. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to KFC videos where you can also see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the official KFC website where we have a lot of things going on. In the top left corner, we have the menu where you can see the menu with delivery and in restaurant. We also have restaurants, we have coupons that you can then use on the site, and we have a career where you can go and start your KFC career, where you can go and start working for KFC. In the middle of the screen, we have delivery and KFC collect, order, and pickup. Over here, you can go and enter a city, street, and house number to start your order. And here we have some KFC recommendations where you can go and see all of the things that they recommend. In the top right corner, guys, we have, when you click on your name, we have everything about your profile. So we have your orders, we have your, as you can see, you can place your order first here, your details, invoices, permissions, and we of course at the end have the log out button. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and apply for a job at KFC. Well guys, to do so, you need to go to the top of the screen and click on career. Now guys, when you're here, you can go and just a second here, you can go and sign up to work for KFC. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.